Black shirt and a black pair of pants gets widespread love, but how many combinations can you actually make out of them? Gentlemen, in this video I'm going to show you 5 combinations with your black shirt and black pair of trousers. Hi, this is Swapnil and you're watching The Classic Dandy. Gentlemen, wearing black color has several benefits. It goes well with most of the skin tones, hides your flaws, and it also gives you an air of mystery. Well, the only downside to wearing black, you may argue, is that you are perceived as someone who likes to play safe, given the fact that it hides your flaws and it is a no-brainer. You open up your wardrobe, throw on a black shirt and a black pair of trousers and black shoes, and you're good to go. But in reality, gentlemen, that is not the case. Blacks comes in various shades, so you need to make sure that you combine your shades properly. Well, that's a different topic for a different video altogether. In this video, let's go ahead and check out the 5 easiest combinations that you can make with your black shirt and a black pair of trousers. And before we go ahead, let me tell you that all the looks that you are going to see on the video are being posted on Instagram as well. Check out my Instagram handle. If you like the content, well, make sure to follow. Gentlemen, grey sits really well with black, period. Well, here I'm wearing a double breast blazer in Prince of Wales checks. It has this lovely light grey, some brown, some beige, and some black elements to it. Now, this particular black sits well with the shirt and the pant. When you're pulling off such an outfit, make sure that everything is slim and cut close to the body. If you're going to wear this with maybe an oversized trousers or oversized jacket, it's not going to look apt. So make sure that everything is slimmed down, and you need to keep the outfit simple. Simple accessories, simple shoes, and simple socks as well. As you can see here, I'm wearing these lovely double monk strap shoes and black socks. Gentlemen, if you're thinking of going all black, well, this is my Indian version of going all black. Rather than going with a black blazer, you can go with a black Bundala. Gentlemen, there is nothing as sophisticated and classic as a black Bundala. Now, this is a total black outfit. As you can see, I'm wearing a black shirt inside, black trousers, and black Bundala. Now, Bundala is something that is really classy and should be worn in a similar way. Now, this particular Bundala is cut close to my body. If you want to watch more videos on Bundala, well, I have made tons of videos on Bundala. Gentlemen, finishing off this particular outfit with some sleek shoes. These are the same double monk strap shoes. You will be seeing these pairs all through the video. How about throwing some color to your black shirt and black pair of trousers? Now, you would see a lot of men doing this, but they would do it with very bright colors like yellows or greens. Gentlemen, black is a color which will give very high amount of contrast with such bright colors. Now, here I'm wearing a bright color again, but this is on a darker side. My female viewers can tell me what exact color this is, but I think this is sort of fuchsia pink. Now, this particular pink is better than the brighter pinks, so it doesn't give very high contrast and sits well with the black shirt and the black pant combination. Again, if you're going for a brighter color like this, you need to make sure that you mute down everything else in your outfit. Whether it's shoes, whether it's socks, you need to make sure that everything stays solid and in the same color family. Just let the sweater do the talking. Gentlemen, with the third outfit, I'm trying different accessories with a waistcoat. Now, I believe that if you're wearing a black shirt, the best tie that you can wear with a black shirt would be a black tie. Now, here I'm wearing this really beautiful knit tie by Mango. This gives a nice texture to your outfit, and to add a bit of visual interest, or rather let the waistcoat do the talking, here I'm wearing this double breast waistcoat by Zara. Now, this particular double breast waistcoat is in dark grey color which sits well against the backdrop of black and has stripes to it. So there's a lot of visual interest that is being generated by the tie and the waistcoat. Again, what I suggested you in the last look, keep everything else muted down. If you're going out for a Saturday night dinner and you plan to wear black, well, you can throw on a simple black Nehru jacket over it and you can see all the difference. Gentlemen, here I'm wearing the same black shirt, black pair of trousers, but just to spice things a bit, I have thrown on this Nehru jacket in lovely black color. Now I know the shade of this black is little different from that of the shirt and the trousers, but the good part about this is that it doesn't give any odd vibe to the outfit. It blends in well. Now whenever you're going with such kind of an outfit, make sure you wear some accessories along. Here I'm wearing a black braided belt and a grey watch on my wrist. Again, keeping my shoes simple, I'm just wearing a double monk strap shoes with little detailing on the toe and plain black socks. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did in making it. Let me know in comments what you feel about it and if there is any other color combinations that you would want me to make a video on. If you're someone who's new to this channel, well, show some love, subscribe to it and hit that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, thanks for watching.